Hey guys, so last night I busted my printer. So this is the heating element. Oh, focus. You can see 2 wires. Oh, there we go. 2 wires should be attached. There's only one, and there's nowhere in Tassie you can buy those. So I looked online. Anyway, I decided to buy a second-hand printer and checked on Gumtree. And $200 for this thing. It's some like Chinese copy thing, and it's not perfect, but it's laying in the goods. I didn't actually level the bed. I'm just like, you know what, I'll send it. He did actually come with, and we look over here, actually, filament, new bed heater, new bed, dehydrator, tape, a bunch of spares. And this is where it gets cool, because in the spares was a heating element. So literally I have this printer and this printer, all because I bought a second-hand cheapie, but at $175. Stoked at this one. Oh yeah, it's also, so it's direct drive extruders. These have all been upgraded obviously because they're gold. But so that means you can run soft flexible plastics, make gaskets, and I don't know what normal people use them for. And it also means I can print in 2 colours for doing cool things. So this is probably more of a novelty printer than what my other one is. Obviously the build area is heaps smaller. But something I found really interesting, it's in this box, which it's apparently a MakerBot copy. But why would you leave these open? If you literally just put some paneling over it, you would improve the printer 100-fold. For those who don't know, breezes and temperature changes are real bad for 3D printers. As you can imagine, like, things expand and shrink with temperature. You get a gust of wind and it can really wreck it. But yeah, other than that, there's a little bit of lifting on that. It's not exactly bottom layer porn, but I think the bed is actually a little bit warped, as the guy did say, and that's freaking awesome. The software that comes with it is just horrendous. Wow, it's bad, and there's no profile for this printer in Cura. It doesn't print from a normal G-code file, it prints from some weird thing I haven't really got the hang of. I found another slicer that they work pretty good. So we'll see how we go with this print. It's looking pretty good actually so far. And we might end up with something half decent.